Hey legends, and a big warm welcome back to the Wealth Yogi channel. Seb Williams here with you again, and in today's video we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and one change that you can make if you're doing affiliate marketing so that you can start seeing the results that you're after inside of your online business. But before we dive into the good stuff, we got something we got to do. Let's hit the show reel. So on the Wealth Yogi channel, we talk about a lot of different things about how to start your online business, lots of different business models that we believe are the best based upon what we've not only done ourselves, but what we've taught our students from all around the world, now hundreds of thousands of students, and we've really come to see what works and what doesn't. And one of the business models that we talk about a lot is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a great passion of mine because it's a very easy space to get started in. Now, for those of you that aren't too familiar with this concept of affiliate marketing, this is where you are essentially a commission-based salesperson for a certain company. If we just take Amazon as an easy example, if you go to Amazon.com and you scroll down to the bottom, there's something called Amazon Associates. This is where you can sign up as an affiliate for Amazon, and you can promote any product, any service on Amazon. If somebody buys through your link, then you will get a commission for having generated the sale, for having done the marketing. So there are a lot of different ways that you can go about this. Practically every every company in the world has their own affiliate program, which is very, very cool because what that enables you to do is find something that you're actually interested in, that you're passionate about, where you feel your purpose might lie, where you can share a message with people and help them actually solve a problem that they have. And it's much easier to generate a sale like that. Well, we talk about this a lot on the channel, where if you actually just help people by helping people, this whole sales thing, it actually becomes a whole lot easier. So this is something that we really lean into. But when people actually start this affiliate marketing journey, there's one big problem that we see above everything else, and that is actually generating a result. And this is the same for a lot of different businesses. So this can actually be applied to anything, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or maybe you're doing your own product or service, or maybe you're doing drop shipping, whatever it might be. But this one thing, it does make a huge difference. It's a very simple switch, but maybe you've heard this before. It's the simple things that scale. It's the simple things that actually work. Sometimes when we add too much complexity and there's too much going on, it just takes one little thing to knock the whole big system out of whack, and then it doesn't actually work, it doesn't convert anymore, it doesn't get us the results that we want. So the one big thing that I'm talking about here is not only obviously generating a financial result, but it's generating a big financial result. Because I believe there's a lot of abundance in the world. Maybe you believe this as well. I believe there's enough for everybody to win. And I don't know about you, but I value my time. And I know that if I can generate a bigger result faster, that's going to be better for me. It's going to be better for the people that I can help as well, because we have this saying that people who pay more attention, right? So you know, people who pay more, they pay more attention. I don't know about you, but if you've ever bought something for a larger investment, you yourself are more invested. You take more care, you take more time, you take more energy with these things. And for me, these are always the people that I want to be working with as well, who are happy to invest, who understand these concepts. And you can apply this to affiliate marketing. A lot of people think, I say a higher ticket only tends to apply to your own products and services, but you can apply it to affiliate marketing as well. So particularly what I'm talking about, as I say, is not only making more money, but making a lot more money, and also speeding up the process, right? Getting a faster result, multiplying everything, amplifying everything. And the way that you do this is by doing something called high ticket. Okay, I've been leaning into this whilst we've been speaking here, but it's through implementing a high ticket offer. So if you were to do high ticket affiliate marketing, what would that mean? That would mean that you were selling a product for, say, $1,000. As an example, $1,000. Say, rather than going on Amazon and selling something for $10, that would be low ticket affiliate marketing. And this is the big thing if you think about this. If you go to Amazon, just as an example, nothing against Amazon, you can make a lot of money through their affiliate program. But if you're selling something for $10 and your commission is, say, 3%, 8%, 10%, let's say 10%, you're making $1. So you need a lot of $1 to reach your income goal. So you need what we call the volume. So if you're going low ticket, you need the volume of sales to be able to reach your income goals. However, if you flip it, and this is where valuing your time comes in, like we were speaking about, if you're selling something for $1,000, even if your commission is still just 10%, you've now made $100 per sale. So would you rather make one sale and make 100, or would you rather make 100 sales to make 100? I'd rather make the one sale because I value my time, and I know that these are the people. If I can find somebody who's willing to pay $1,000 for something, and these people exist, you think about it, you go and buy the new iPhone, how much is that? Right? You go and buy yourself a new MacBook, you can tell I'm an Apple fanboy, right? You go and buy yourself whatever, these Oura rings, the $300, whatever, right? You can find people who are willing to pay hundreds, pay thousands. These people exist, they're out there, this money's being spent. So it's where do you want to position yourself as the marketer? Do you want to position yourself in between these people who are already spending that money, they already are looking for these solutions, or do you want to go and spend your time over here? Now there's no right, there's no wrong, and this is really important to understand, because will both work? Yes, absolutely they will. But again, it comes back to you positioning yourself where you want to be based upon your circumstances. And I know for a lot of people, they come into business because they claim, they're looking for this one thing. They're looking to claim their freedom. And we know that freedom is made up of two things. It's made up of time freedom, and it's made up of financial freedom. And if you go high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can get both of these things in one go, right? If you go low-ticket affiliate marketing, you might get the financial freedom, but you're going to be spending a lot more time making these sales to get the volume that you need to reach your income goals. If your income, say, just is you want to earn $1,000 a month with your affiliate marketing, it's a very reasonable goal, right? For a lot of people, that would be game-changing money to earn $1,000 a month. You could just make 10 sales, and you'd be there. That's not even one sale a day. Not even one sale a day. If you did one sale a day at this rate, you'd be on $3,000 a month. That's powerful stuff, right? That's absolutely powerful, right? 3,000, that should be a dollar sign, 3,000 a month, right? Or here, if you just make 10 sales a month, you're making $10. Or if you did one every day, you'd be on $30. It's a big difference, right? It's an absolutely big difference. But it's a subtle shift in where are you positioning yourself? What products, what company, what services are you aligning yourself? Are they a low ticket offer or a high ticket? Now, as I say, the important thing to really remember here is that there is no right or wrong. Because if you can add this one thing into your business, this is where it gets really interesting. If you can add some automation into your business, let me ask you this question. Does it matter whether you're doing low ticket or high ticket? I think this time a lot of people are saying no, because think about it, if you can automate the low ticket offer, it's not costing you your time to make the sale anymore. You get your time back with automation, right? It's doing the sales for you. So you can scale this because it's not based on your time to generate a sale, it's based on how good is your system, right? And once you've got that system tuned in, locked in, you can scale this to the moon. So you can make a lot of these smaller sales, you can have the volume, and it's not costing you your time. However, this is where it gets very interesting. If you automate your high ticket offer, you can scale that to the moon, again without your time input. So which one would you do? Me, I would do both. Because if you can do one, you can do the other. And this is where what most people don't understand is that it does genuinely, in terms of making a sale, it takes the same amount of time and effort to sell somebody a $10 product as it does to sell them a $1,000 product. And in fact, it is easier to get these customers because they see things differently. People, as we said right at the start, people who pay more attention. These people are more committed, they're more hungry, they're more serious. Typically, these sales are a lot easier, in my opinion. However, you can definitely do both, and if you can automate both, then why wouldn't you, right? And then you've got everything working for you, meaning that you do have true time and financial freedom. So this is the way that we tend to not only think about affiliate marketing, but tend to teach it as well, to try and impress this upon you, what's possible. Because I truly believe anybody can do this, but it's putting the time in, the practice in, to learn the skills, to refine them, which is what we share on this channel, all these different concepts and a whole lot more. So if you did find this valuable, leave a comment below and let me know. Let me know whether you're a low ticket affiliate marketer or a high ticket, or both like me. Let me know if you've got your automation in place. We can always do more videos on the automation, the technical stuff to help you guys get this set up in place. But in either case, I did hope you found this valuable. If you did, please leave a comment, let me know below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're putting lots of content out like this to help you get from where you are now to where you want to be inside of your online business and all things in life as well, because it's Wealth Yogi. It's a holistic life approach, okay? So thank you so much for your time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video.